Thumbs up, everyone. Huwag kang mag-isip kung ano pa man. I love your thumb. My thumb is very short. Give it thumbs up, please. Give it thumbs up, everyone. Thumbs up, guys. Yes. Hi, good morning. Tay, 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 ulian ang nanay. Kaming mahanapin sa balay. Wala'y makaalala. I will love you. I promise you this. There is nothing. What you cooking for breakfast? Nothing. Pangunta na daw balik si nanay o manhim ba dumalingon. Ako ni si Roy. Tay, 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 ulian ang nanay. Kaming mahanapin sa balay. Wala'y makaalala. Hamad yung mamang.
Nasa titiyanan. Mata na sila?
I only eat bread. I'm on diet. Lalagay ng ingon siyo unta na daw. Kanya na daw. Ingon siyo udto na daw na mulakaw. Long time no see, lady. Hello, Vinon Clark. Vinon Clark, you know I'm restricted because my my account restricted for I think 2 weeks. 2 weeks and a half. If you was my girlfriend, you'll be eating ham and eggs for breakfast. I'm a diet artist. No need to eat that. I'm on diet, but I'm still fat. My diet is